It's not just hidden in the jungle, incredibly peaceful, far from town, but it's also extremely affordable at $25 per night. Just have a look. We are literally staying in a Teletubbies home. Good morning, you guys. It's time to leave El Nido today. So I have a flight to Cebu in 3 days, and I could have spent 3 days in El Nido and then just get my transport straight to the airport in Puerto Princesa. However, I really want to see the underground river, one of the 7 wonders of nature, the Philippines wonder of nature, which is the underground river in Puerto Princesa. Journey to Puerto Princesa from El Nido cost 600 pesos. So yeah, we'll be going to Puerto Princesa today, which is a city, but I think I'll be staying at a rural part of Puerto Princesa, so like a nature place. You guys won't believe this. I just arrived to Puerto Princesa and my friend Yea found this incredibly hidden dome home in the middle of nowhere, in the jungle. Even our driver struggled and went through so many different ways to get here. We are hidden in a banana tree plantation. It's not just hidden in the jungle, incredibly peaceful, far from town, but it's also extremely affordable at $25 per night. Just have a look. We are literally staying in a Teletubbies home. This is our way to get here. So we have a gate and a dirt road right behind this gate. Our own peaceful garden surrounded by banana trees. They only have one. It's very unique. The lady who's designed it got very creative with it and really looked after every small little detail. Imitates the wood. Initially my first worry would be, is there any Wi-Fi for me to work from? Yes, there is. And just imagine waking up and going to your little terrace, little private terrace in the morning to work. Have cute lights. It's getting dark now slowly because we arrived here in the evening, and by the time we managed to find this place, yes, it's getting dark and we have to go out to town, to Puerto Princesa, to eat something, but I quickly want to film this for you before we go. Everything is very authentic, self-made, but very high quality at the same time, but also modern. And that's a theme throughout this house. Compared to other accommodations I've been staying out, this one feels luxurious, but they've tried to keep it authentic in the most authentic Filipino jungle that you could imagine. And I couldn't believe it's only $25 a night. What a steal. It's a complete steal. You can see bananas growing. Sadly, they are not ripe yet. I have to stay here a little longer and wait for the bananas to ripe. Right, so here we have a living area. So we have a huge kitchen and a living space, fridge, router for Wi-Fi. A lot of the times in places like this, which are very hidden deep in the jungle, I cannot work from them, so I end up not being able to stay. So here, I'm so happy we have Wi-Fi, we have some tea, coffee, grill, you know, sink, and everything is just so spacious. This whole space, like, you would never think looking at this listing online. And then check out the bathroom. Once again, it's trying to keep the very authentic Filipino feel to it, yet it's still very modern. And here we have the main bedroom. By this small view, some of you can stay, in the living area. They provide a mattress, a full mattress. They can lay on the floor or you can lay it on here, so it's not a problem. Up to 4 people can easily sleep here. I couldn't be more happy with it. Oh, but I think now, because we just arrived and we are starving, it's time to go to Puerto Princesa town. But I'll be very happy to be coming back to this place. And I hope I could be staying here longer. I booked my flight to Cebu on Saturday, so which means I only have 2 nights here. My friend is staying here for 4 nights, so she's lucky. If I didn't book my flight, I would totally stay here longer. It's a little paradise place. And that's our little dome house at night. Just to make our dome house even better, we have baby goats. They're so tiny.